Hey everybody, Bill Sky, the C++ guy here. And yes, this is another playlist from my Bill Sky, the computer guy channel. And what we're going to do in this playlist is we are going to go over the C++ language. Why learn from me? Well, as I said in my introductory video, in assembly language, I've been doing this for so many years. Got out of high school, got my first job in computers in 1978. I worked in corporate research and development until 2013. I started teaching in 1999 at IBM, and then I got a full-time position when I retired from IBM at Las Positas College in Livermore, California. I became the department chairperson, and then I retired from Las Positas College in 2023. It's 2023 at the recording of this video, so that was just this past spring. But I love to teach. I absolutely love to impart knowledge on other people. Also, my experience in getting a job, and I'm hopefully going to be able to do videos on that. But I'm also going to show you technology and what you need to know to be successful in a job. So this playlist for C++ is going to parallel the fall semester at a normal college on learning C++. There's many books out there. Tony Gaddis is the one that I always used on his C++ series. You can find that on Amazon. It's a great book, and it benefits to have that book in front of you. Also, it benefits you to follow along with me as I'm doing these videos. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to set up a development environment, and I'm going to show you how to install a compiler in an integrated development environment. Now, something that I hear from a lot of young people is that the C and the C++ languages are dead. Well, that's absolutely not true. I've heard people say COBOL is dead, and COBOL is not dead either. Neither is Fortran. So everybody always thinks their language is the absolute best language. It's the only language out there. It's kind of religious in a way, but I'll tell you, all the languages I know assembler language, I know machine code, I know COBOL, Fortran, I know C, C++, I know Ruby, I know Python, I know Golang, I know PHP, I know SQL, which isn't really a programming language, it's a data accessing language. I'm going to have a channel, or not a channel, but I'm going to have a playlist on database programming. I know Java, I know JavaScript, I know HTML, HTML5. The more languages you know, the more marketable you are, and that's why I'm here on YouTube. I want to make sure you all get the knowledge that you need to get a good job, pay your Social Security taxes, so I can collect my Social Security in a few years. So, hope to see you on the next video, which is going to be setting up Windows development tools. Then we're going to do setting up Linux development tools and also Apple Macintosh development tools. So, hope to see you at the next video.